Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. That avoids interruptions during verification. Once done, prepare an alternate email address or phone number for recovery and verification. This speeds account setup. Now open Settings and scroll to Mail or Contacts. Tapping either shows accounts. Make sure to have your current Apple ID unlocked so you can add accounts. This first step gets you directly into the place where you'll add a Google account. So you tap Add Account and select Google. The iPhone opens Google's sign-up flow. Follow prompts to enter your name, desired email address, and create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, digits, and symbols for security. Once you submit, Google will ask for a phone number or alternate email for verification. Provide what you prepared earlier. Make sure to accept privacy and terms where prompted. After verification, your new Google account is linked to Mail, Contacts, and Calendar if you enable syncing. You finish by toggling which services to sync, Mail, Contacts, and Calendars so your data appears where you want it. Once set, go to My Account. Google.com to enable two-step verification for better protection. This is key to keeping the account secure. If verification fails during setup, make sure the phone number or alternate email is entered correctly, then retry. Sometimes network or SMS delays cause problems. If issues persist, restart your iPhone and repeat the verification step, which usually resolves temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.